Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, Win with Ryan channel. So glad you guys could join us. Today, we are going to be covering the 1 Minute Millionaire book back in the series. And this one is going to be 7 money skills of extremely prosperous people. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful time no matter where you are right now. So happy you could join us on the channel today. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell. I know it's annoying, but it does help the algorithm, so it boosts the video. And also hit the thumbs up so that way you can show everyone that you're enjoying the video. I did want to let you guys know the winwithryan.com newsletter. If you want to join our newsletter, learn a little bit more about our company, what we do, how we earn money online so we can continue living this fabulous lifestyle that we do. So check that out. Again, that's at winwithryan.com. But today we're going to talk about the 7 skills of extremely prosperous people. So go ahead and grab a pen and paper. If you do not have one yet, you can pause it. Go grab that pen and paper and you'll be able to take some notes today. So why do some people earn 10 times more money in their lifetime than the rest of us? Do they work 10 times harder? Are they 10 times smarter? Of course not. The bottom line is that wealthy people are good at 7 following money skills. Anyone can learn them. Number 1, money skill number 1 is value. They value each dollar bill as a money seed. Just like a tiny acorn contains the power to grow into a mighty oak tree, each dollar has the power to grow into a mighty money tree. If you destroy an acorn, the oak tree inside also dies. So too with a money seed. Wealthy people know that $1 a day can grow into $1 million. So they are very respectful of every dollar they spend. Number 2, money skill. Number 2 is control. They control their money down to the penny. Prosperous people take a few extra steps every time they spend money. Number 1, they shop for the best value. Number 2, they ask for and expect a discount. Number 3, they examine their receipts for mistakes. Number 4, they attempt to turn each expenditure into a legitimate tax-deductible business expense. Number 5, they balance their checkbook to the penny. And number 6, they file their receipts upon returning to their home or office. These activities only take an extra minute of time, but build long-term financial peace of mind. So number 2 here, control, is really awesome because recently here at Win with Ryan, we got our business incorporated. So we now own Win with Ryan as an actual business, and we're running everything out of the business name rather than a personal name. So there comes extra deductions, extra tax savings, many things come along with that. So if you are running any sort of home-based business, I highly encourage you to look into setting up an LLC or a corporation in your business name. And if you are also, like, for example, you have a business that you run from home, but you also work your normal job you would run as you, but your business you want to run in a business name. That way, all of those expenses, all of those incomes, they do not go against you as your principal. Number 3, money skill number 3 is save. Wealthy people love to save money by spending wisely, but they don't stop there. They save at least 10% of what they earn. So this is really cool too because, and this is why I love YouTube. Recently, I have personally started doing trading, so day trading, and there's a few people that I follow on YouTube that I've learned some day trading things from, but I've actually gotten involved more now with Forex because Forex is an easier, there's less barriers of entry. You don't have to have a $10,000 account. You don't have to do some offshore banking stuff. So with Forex, you can start with as little as $150 and you can build over time, which is really cool, but also saving. Financial Education, the YouTube channel, Financial Education. His name is Jeremy. I watch him a lot. He talks a lot about saving, what stocks are good for long term, what stocks are good for growth stocks, and so on. You might want to check out his channel, give a shout out there. Meet Kevin also, if you want to check out Meet Kevin's channel, he does a lot of investments, and there's several other people, but those two are the ones that I listen to most frequently, and they've helped me save. And also through saving, I've been saving in multiple different diversification settings, right? So I'm now currently saving with Bitcoin. I'm investing in Bitcoin at Coinbase. If you want to get started with a little bit of Bitcoin, you can start with as little as you want, but if you put in $100 in Bitcoin, which it just reached $12,000 and it's on its way now to $13,000, but that's a good long-term hold, right? So there's a link down in the description section there for Coinbase. If you wanted to invest, when you put in $100, you will get $10 extra bonus there from Coinbase. Also, I'm currently using Webull, the stock. So if you don't want to do cryptocurrency and you want to invest in stocks, because of Jeremy, I've gotten involved with the site Webull, and Webull is a great place to start investing for stock market. So investing and holding for long term. If you would rather do stocks rather than coins, you can also find that in the description below and get yourself a bonus there. 2 free stocks from Webull just for signing up. Number 4, the fourth money skill is to invest. Well, I guess the savings and investing. Personally, I don't save any of my money in a savings account because it collects no money. And so I highly recommend investing. So let's talk about the fourth skill, investing. They have a system for investing their money. Rich people do. Imagine a series of buckets where money is siphoned from your main bank account. The first bucket is your emergency bucket. Let your 10% savings flow there first until you have at least 3 months living expenses saved in an insured bank account. Once this first bucket is filled up, the stream of 10% overflows into one of 3 additional buckets: conservative investments, moderately aggressive investments, and very aggressive investments. Contact a reputable investment advisor to help you put your savings into these 3 types of mutual funds. The money should be automatically deducted from your bank account so you never forget. So they have sites where your bank can actually set up where it automatically drafts from your account as well. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just kind of giving you advice on nothing as far as that goes. I'm just giving you information on what I am doing personally. So definitely speak with your financial advisor. Number 5, money skill number 5 is earn. They have multiple streams of income, MSIs, outside their job. This entire book is dedicated to showing you how to dramatically increase your earning power. So as we mentioned before, if you have a job, that is great. In fact, everyone should have a job until their side business is generating more income than that job. So you can have multiple different types of sources of income. You could have day trading like I do as another source of income. You could have a network marketing MLM business as a source of income. You could have a lawn service business. You could have a power walk. There's all kinds of different things you can be doing on the side to boost your income. You know, one of my main sources of boosted income when I first started in the side gig business was my eBay business. I took everything that I owned that I didn't like personally. Someone likes it, which is really cool. So I sold everything that I didn't like anymore, that I didn't use personally. If you've seen that cleaning show with that one lady, I forget her name, but she goes like, she holds up an item and she goes, "Does this bring you joy?" So I did that with all of my items. Does this bring me joy? And if it did not, I sold it to somebody on eBay at a very discounted price, but who cares? It was literally collecting dust in my house when this person over here wanted that item. And so don't forget that. That's also a great way of earning there. You can do that. Money skill number 6, shield. They protect themselves with trusts, corporations, limited partnerships, LLCs, and other legal entities. In truth, you don't want to be a millionaire. You want to live like a millionaire, but have very few assets in your own name. So like we were talking about earlier, you want to protect your assets by having the protection in place. You can go to LegalZoom. I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not telling you what to do, but if you go to LegalZoom, they are lawyers and they can help you set up that for you. Number 7, money skill number 7, share it. Millionaires are very generous, donating at least 10% of their income. The secret is that money multiplies faster when it is divided. When you share freely, you prime the pump of the universe. We encourage you to establish a legacy that will outlive you. Plant money trees from which others will harvest the fruit. This is true prosperity. So this is kind of cool too, because you could actually invest in other people. And that's another thing that I really like about business, is that you will have the opportunity to have extra income, and you will also motivate others as a mentor to start their own businesses, and you can donate funds to their businesses to help them grow. You could donate funds to local charities that may need help, or you could start your own charity even and really help grow your passion, your heart's desire of what you want to help. Plus, that's also a shelter. What's really great about these 7 money tips, a lot of them overlap and actually encompass each other. So it's very, very smart to do these things as far as that goes. So if you did want to find a way to make money online, and you really want to get going and you want to learn some of these tips, sign up for our newsletter there at winwithryan.com. That newsletter will get you all signed up, and then it'll also show you my #1 way to make money online right now in any market situation. It is in there for you. So thank you so much for watching the channel. Thumbs up the video, like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.